I won the election with 440. It hasn't changed. And under no circumstance, we will leave this seat for them because we won. The people of Agyapong not deserve what is right. And they exercised their franchise and they chose Agyapong. So it is. That is what it is. Nothing will change and nothing has changed. We are still insisting that they should give the adequate security for electoral commission to do its work, as the court said.
Do you fear that 4 years may go by without you entering into the parliament?
4 years for the president.
Nkansah Mama man for no me koso Ghana ye fa pim na Central Force ne kure kukuduro ene de obi ye nya me ka chese o ye no nye anama ma pani ma metu no mumbie ma no ka chese o ma pani se bi Ghana nya onko adia
tinna ye no wie no o hwe judges for no mo ho na obi se anka omo entime enkemi emma offense omo chief justice
ye hu o ma pani mama ene disabadi hu ato judges for no so o ma pani mama enra judges for no and now yes ya transfer and now say be you wedi and now say we member promotion ye ndu so mu nyina ene no ma pani mama o ye no member na judges no ye ka cho mo momo
some of them have dressed like the Supreme Justice. You see?
How do we get a sound?
Oh, guys, open up there. Let them protect me. So that the camera guys don't stay behind.
Do the right thing.
I was out to say, yes, giddy, so we need to get a sound for you guys so people will hear whatever they are saying. I just want my sound to go there. They have told us that by I just want my sound to go there. You know the best part about it? The lens, the ISO. If you're automatic, yeah, you put for automatic. No, protect them. Hey, no, nobody should go inside.
Hold the other man's calling.
Sir.
Tell you what's up, no good in done. You're on food, I cry about Charlie. I tell you what's up, enjoy the ride.
Say the mic in one name, yes, sound. Sir, hello. This mic is for us, okay?
Oh,
Sir.
Mommy, please, mic on up for us.
Do I know how to do?
So, press it like this. No, we need one, Mama.
This one.
Microphone. Where's the microphone for? Or you want to give it to here?
That's money.
If we don't get a microphone, the media will be good.
Hey, don't push. Why do you push?
Bring the petition. Bring the petition. Let's go.
Who needs it?
Because we are speaking to you directly,
Should we do it? Chale. You give us this room.
Where you are? Let's hear to me.
I know. Sit. Come here. Sit down. Let it stay down. Otherwise, I'll start. You guys have a microphone.
Jerry, I'm waiting for my speech.
Jerry, let's just do it and go because I don't think it gets easier.
My point. So we're going to create a space, but if you want to do it,
no, we'll just do it here because it's moving back to the
okay. All right, so leader, should we get them introduced?
We will start. Guys, we are starting.
Okay, yes.
The Honorable Minority Leader, who is doubling as our guest this morning.
Where's my speech?
Bring your microphone.
This is the speech. This is the one I'll present. So hold it after reading it.
Are we ready? We are rolling over. Honorable Minority Leader, who is doubling as our guest this morning, honorable members of Parliament, fellow Ghanaians, we are very happy to see you this morning. As you are aware, Parliament is a house for the people. And anytime they speak as a father for all, some of you are representatives of people that whose concerns you articulate. And so we appreciate what we do here. This morning, we heard that you'll be coming here. Mr. Speaker decided to put together the Chief Executive and his two deputies to receive you. But as is our culture, anytime we see people coming, we ask them if somebody's chasing them so that we can hide them. But if they are coming with joy, then we'll celebrate with them. So I have with me the Clerk to Parliament, whom you all know, the Deputy Clerk in charge of Legislative Management,
Camilo Kwamang, the Deputy Clerk in charge of Information Management Services, Dr. Kumawood. We also have the Director for Media Engagement, we have one of our marshals,
landlord, Wing Commander Fred Bauer, and I am Kate, and we are here at your service. So we'll ask you when I'm Manzi, what way I'm Manzi we are, then we'll be able to see what we can do for you.
Leader, you want to carry on?
Yeah, leadership. Okay,
thank you very much. We are that's the Aquarius that's here. We have our senior party member, former organizer of the party, Sompa, who is here. Our third deputy majority whip is also here, Jerry Ahmed Shaib, and many more people. But
NPP,
my coach, BNP, they haven't got the chance to come in.
No, there's.
Okay, we have Mr. Jerry Apau, who is the General Secretary of LPG. The leader and presidential flag bearer for NDP is also here. Fripong Mohammed is also here. But our leader is leading us here to present this position to you, to ask for your support in the fight to maintain our democracy.
So before our leader comes in, now that we know why you are here, our chief executive, who is our spokesperson, will now formally welcome you, and then we'll take it from there.
Thank you very much, Madam Kate. Honorable Minority Leader, other members of the leadership of the New Patriotic Party in Parliament present here, and other members of various political parties inclusive. As per your introduction, let me, on behalf of the Right Honorable Speaker, welcome you to Parliament of Ghana. As you know, Parliament represents the people. Article 1, Clause 1 of the Constitution is very clear. The sovereignty of Ghana is vested in the people of Ghana, in whose name and for whose welfare the powers of government are exercised in a manner and within the limits laid down in the Constitution. Parliament, Article 93(1) of the Constitution, represents the people. And like Kate said, where the people, sections of the people, a group of citizens have a concern because of the grievance redress rule of Parliament, necessarily they may want to approach Parliament. I believe that it is in that regard that you